last night I saw Darkest Hour.
Alright.
It's nominated for a couple of Oscars and stuff.
Aye. It's good.
Gary Oldman's in it.
It was good.
Aye, it was good. War film.
Aye.
Quite slow, but it was good. But something was on my mind I thought I'd bring up here. Because you're obviously the person I come to for these things.
Yeah.
I was sitting there in the cinema and there was somebody behind me and he fell asleep during the film. Now I understand people can go to the cinema and they're tired and it's sometimes too warm or it's sometimes too cold. You get a bit
You're
too
paying
comfy.
bloody money to be there.
Well, that's my thing. But then this guy, oh Jesus, this guy was like snoring.
Snoring.
Like not just like I do. Like snoring wise, he'd fallen asleep,
Hell, man.
unconscious, and he was on his own.
Did you wake him up?
Now, he was 2 rows behind me. I couldn't believe the folk in the road didn't actually say it. But
Another thing that annoys me at the cinema, coughing.
right,
But don't stop yourself from coughing. You know what I mean?
aye. Well, have you never coughed in the cinema or anything? No,
No, never.
never ever,
In my life, never ever.
never in your puff.
No.
Also, funny you should say that. There was a person in front of me in
Huh?
the film who had a really bad cough, but it was a really loud one. Well,
What? Like what?
it was more like a
Like a plea for help?
like a cackle, yeah.
You can disguise it as a laugh.
Right, aye, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, aye. That's a good one. Or there's the you're trying to like hide you're doing something and you're opening crisp or something. That's
Aye,
alright. But the
aye.
fact that it's just like going on and on and on right in front of me was really annoying.
That's a. What other type of coughs is there? So it's disguising it as a laugh. What else?
There's the there's the horrible like lung cancer
That
cough. They're really bad. Aye, they're really
Well,
bad one. Blood
that's a
comes
good
up. That's a bad one. Well, it's not good news, but you know what I mean. It's a good example. There's the one you try to get someone's attention.
that's a good one.
That's a good one. Or there's the try to clear your throat.
You know what I mean?
No.
That's more that. Aye. What is he doing, man? We can write a book about this.
I know.
Different types of coughs.
Different types of coughs.
Like Chris Cammy.
One more cough and you're off.
That's good.
When was the last time we went to the theatre?
Oh, too long ago.
We went to see, we saw Addams Family
Yeah, we did.
at the King's Theatre. What was the thing that was annoying us there? I remember there was something, but
We were pure high up.
aye,
Just like so high up.
like so bad at theatre etiquette would be things like complaining about your seats.
Aye.
I was singing the songs.
Aye. So was I. Because obviously we did.
Oh yeah, we were in it a
But-
few years ago.
No, people beside us must have been like, get these guys to the absolute.
We were probably just as bad
I know, we just don't realise it in ourselves.
because we were obviously singing the songs. I was singing the songs and I was sitting next to a sort
I
of
honestly
nasty
thought you were about to say you were singing the sash then. I was like, what?
No, not in the theatre anyway.
Because there was the women, the women as well. The women as well were there. And they just left at half time.
I was going to say, did they come back, didn't they?
No. They
It was a
actually-
really good show as well. It was not as if it was like a
Oh, I know.
bad show.
Maybe they were also complaining about.
Yeah, the seating
I
arrangements.
think I'm on the wrong line here.
Are we?
No, I don't know.